morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. In the previous class, we have done picture composition. Today, again, we are going to go through picture composition. What actually picture composition is? Picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or set of pictures. A picture composition requires the writer, that is you, to carefully observe the given picture and describe it. It should have meaningful sentences. There are certain rules for writing picture composition. Let's go through these rules. The first rule is to look. Look at the picture very carefully and observe which scene is being depicted. For example, there can be scene of a garden or park, there can be a birthday scene, there can be a classroom scene, etc. The second rule is objects. Look at the picture very carefully and find the objects. There can be sun, clouds, flowers, tree, etc. The third main rule is the main character. Who is the main character in the picture? And what is the main character doing? Then the fourth rule is the tense. Whenever we are writing the picture composition, the tense you have to use is first the helping verb, that is or am or are plus ing words. For example, a bird is flying in the sky. A boy is playing with the form. Whenever we are writing the picture composition, it should be in a paragraph form. Do you know what does it mean? Okay, let me tell you. Whenever we finish one sentence, we will begin writing the next sentence from there only. After the full stop, you will begin writing the next sentence. Do not move to the next line. Next rule that you have to follow while writing picture composition is formation of sentences. Whenever you are forming a sentence, do not begin with there. T-H-E-R-E. Do not begin your sentence with there. For example, there are birds flying in the sky. Please do not write this. You will write birds are flying in the sky. Then the last rule is conclusion. Whenever we are writing picture composition, we have to conclude it by writing an impressive line at the end. After you have finished writing your picture composition, you have to go through your picture composition very carefully. Look if you have put all the punctuation marks and the capital letters and if there is any error. What is being depicted in the picture? The first rule was to observe the picture carefully and describe which scene is being depicted. So the first line will be, this is a picture of a garden. Then moving on, we are going to write about the things that are there in the picture. I can see a colorful rainbow in the sky. So my next line will be, colorful rainbow is looking pretty in the sky. I can see some flowers. So my next line will be, the flowers are blooming in the garden. Then the next rule was to look for the main character And what is the main character doing? I can see a girl. She is holding a cat in her hands. So I will write a girl is holding a cat in her hands. Remember students, whenever we are framing the sentence, we have to use helping verb is, am or are plus ing word. Here I have written a girl is holding a cat in her hands. Next will be a girl is running after the boy. Now I can see there is a cat and the cat is sleeping. So the next line will be a cat is sleeping on the grass. Final and the last concluding line will be everyone is looking happy in the picture. So my dear students, I hope you must have enjoyed doing picture composition with me. You can look for another picture at your home and try to write few lines describing that picture. Thank you. Have a good day.